Welcome to the SiD Teacher Login Tutorials. In this video, you will learn how to run a few reports showing test results for students in your class. To view reports about your classes, we need to be on the Reports tab of the class page. When you first log in as a teacher, you will see your classes on the dashboard. When you click the name of the class, it will bring you to the attendance screen. On the attendance screen for your class, click the Reports tab. All the reports on this page apply to students in this class only. There are 3 reports that deal with assessments. Click the link to go to each report. The description after the report name will give you an idea of what you'll find on the report itself. Let's start with the Assessment History Report. This report shows the last assessments for students in your class. It also shows who is eligible to retest. Click the link and we'll go there now. At the top of the report are fields you can use to filter or customize the report. The report will show students enrolled in the class on the start date. The start date defaults to today's date. In most cases, that's the best one to use. The report automatically shows only the last assessments taken by students in your class. To show all tests taken by your students, click the False button. Use the other filters to create your made-to-order report. When you're done setting it up the way you want it, click the View Report button. Here's a side note. We have a help article that goes into greater detail about the assessment history report filters. You can find it at the address in the box. Most of the columns on this report are pretty easy to understand. There are a couple that are worth a little extra attention. In the Can Test column, look for the green shaded boxes that say True. This means a student can be tested in this family and subject. Be careful though. Some tests may not fit with a student's current academic goals and instruction. The Has Level Gain column shows True if the student completed an academic level during the current NRS year. The Level Gain This Subject column to the left shows which test family and subject showed the increase. Students need at least one valid pretest to set the EFL in each NRS program year. People with no valid pretest will show none in the pre-EFL column. Test these students as soon as possible. When a student has no valid pretest, you can enter up to 12 attendance hours for the year, and that's it. Here's another side note. You can save the report or download it as an Excel spreadsheet or other document. After you set up the report and run it, click on the diskette icon and choose your preferred format. Next, we'll take a look at the assessment graphs of students in class. This report shows line graphs of historical assessment scores for each student in class. Let's take a look. The test menu defaults to CASAS, but you can choose another test family from the menu. Likewise, you can choose another subject from the subject menu. By default, the report will show tests taken since January 1st, 2008. If you prefer only recent tests, change the test since date. There's also a current students filter. The report shows only students who are currently enrolled in the class. To see all students, whether currently enrolled or not, click the False button. As always, click the View Report button to activate your filter choices. The body of the report shows a separate box for each student that matches your report setup. The graph shows individual scores and test dates. It's a good way to look at a student's progress in the test family and subject that you've chosen. The last report we'll look at is the Assessments Bar Chart. This report visually compares scores for the most recent tests for all the students in the class. Feel free to change the default test family and subject menus. Then click the View Report button if you made any changes to the report. These are just a few of the many reports you can run for students in your classes. Feel free to explore on your own. For help with this or any other SiD-related feature, send us an email at the address on the screen.